Using QuickBooks Self-Employed is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances and stay organized. To get started, first create an account and set up your profile by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Next, connect your bank accounts to QuickBooks Self-Employed, allowing the software to track your income and expenses. You can also categorize your transactions into different types, such as business, personal, or tax deductible, to make it easier to track your expenses and prepare for tax season. One of the key features of QuickBooks Self-Employed is the ability to track your mileage. You can use the mobile app to log your miles driven for business purposes, and the software will calculate the deduction you are eligible for. You can also use the app to track your expenses, such as receipts and invoices, and attach them to your transactions for easy reference. To stay on top of your finances, use the dashboard to view your income, expenses, and profit and loss statement. You can also use the software to create invoices and track your accounts receivable, making it easy to stay on top of your cash flow. Another important feature of QuickBooks Self-Employed is the tax calculator, which estimates your tax liability based on your income and expenses. This can help you plan for tax season and avoid any surprises. To get the most out of QuickBooks Self-Employed, make sure to regularly review and reconcile your transactions, and use the software to create a budget and set financial goals. By following these steps and using the software consistently, you can stay organized, save time, and reduce stress when it comes to managing your finances. Overall, QuickBooks Self-Employed is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances and stay organized. By taking the time to set up your account, track your income and expenses, and use the software's features, you can streamline your financial management and focus on growing your business.